Somewhere inside this building, Brazil's money is born, bleaches, and almost no one ever sees it happen. It starts here, with a blank sheet that already carries more secrets than most people will ever see.
Every press in this hall will run tonight. Together, they'll produce millions of notes before dawn. Before a single drop of ink falls, every sheet is checked by hand and by machine. "6,000 sheets an hour, each one a future banknote, each one already irreplaceable." Before any press can run, someone must first cut the design, line by line, into hardened steel. This single plate will print millions of notes. Every line in it was put there by a human hand. At full run, this press applies the force of a small building holding to paper thinner than a fingernail.
Every sheet is counted. Every sheet is tracked. In here, not a single note can go missing.
Intaglio gives the note its feel. Offset gives it its color and its first layer of hidden security. This color doesn't exist on any printer. It only lives on the note trend and shifts with every angle. Seven security systems. One sheet. And it still has further to go. The holographic stripe is the note's most visible shield, and it's most difficult to replicate.
Tilt it one way, gold. Tilt it the other, green. No counterfeit has ever matched it.
Human eyes have checked this sheet. Now the machines take over, and they never blink.
8 machines, 12 cameras each, checking every millimeter of every note in 2 dots simultaneously. Every note that leaves this hall has been seen by more cameras than any human eye could count. "40 notes on one sheet. One blade pass separates them, and each cut must be exact. From a blank sheet of cotton and polymer tenued to this, a single note that carries the weight of a nation's economy. 8 phases, hundreds of hands, millions of decisions, and not one note is missing. Every note produced here rests in this vault until the central bank calls for it.
Months of precision, millions of decisions, one note. Now it belongs to Brazil.